Back in the 1940s, the phone was like a wood box with a thing on it. I don't know. It had its own room. You go, ooh, that's the phone's room. You'd wait all week to make your call. You go, ooh, it's almost Tuesday. And then you'd take the cup on the string or whatever. I don't know. And then you go, operator, ring me Neptune 5, 117. And the operator is a real person that you had to be nice to. And she'd be like, 1 moment, please. I'm putting wires into a board filled with holes to move the voices around, because it is the 40s. And it took like 90 minutes.